Hey, I'm doing a quick video on how to change the DJI propellers on a Mini Pro 4. Recently, I crashed my drone. I broke the two front axles on the front of the drone, which there's a link below. It was very easy to fix. And I also broke 4 of the propellers. I'm going to show you how to change the propellers on the DJI Mini Pro 4 right after this. And these rotors are really easy to change. Again, you don't want to over tighten a screw on them, but I have, these are DJI official. I mean, this is the real deal. These say Mini Pro 3, but these props work fine. So there's an A prop, and there's a B prop. See that? B and A. All your B props are alternate. They alternate here and here. So I need, for this one, I need an A prop. See this? Circled. And you got to make sure it goes on right. You can see there's a little arrow or a little mark on there. You want to match that up. So when I pull that off, this is a little Phillips head. So I thought it was the same as the body parts, but it's not. And I have this screwdriver, which was also from DJI. So I don't recommend aftermarket props. And the reason why is there's been a lot of complaints that the screws aren't as strong and they've snapped off inside the motor, but because you got to replace the motor. So there it is. I just changed the prop. Use original. Have the right tools and the right work area to do your work on it. But there it is. Thanks for watching.